super duper crimes. Hello everyone, I'm Lily and welcome back to the Super Duper Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw in Kyle a mug full of hot chocolate. We will draw the mug. For the base of the mug, draw two shapes. Connect the top with curved line to form the rim. For more detail, draw a line on the mug. Draw a curved C-like shape for handle. Let's draw a creamy scoop to show the hot chocolate. You can add a few marshmallows and a small rounded circle floating on the top. For the candy cane, draw a curved shape like a J. Add stripes on the candy cane. Next to the candy cane, for wafer stick, draw long, thin rectangles with rounded edge coming out of the mug. Yay! You did it! Now I'm using this black marker to make this drawing more attractive and visible. Finally, it's time to color. Let's start coloring. Pink. Orange. Yellow. Red. Green. Dark brown. Amazing! Yummy! If you had a fun drawing today, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!